What's happening, you hip cool cats? My name is Kit. Welcome back to Chicago Reacts. Hey, we're glad to have you back here. Sit down, grab a tasty snack and a tasty beverage. Why? Because we are continuing with our outstanding show series that we are watching titled Chainsaw Man. That's right, Chainsaw Man. It turns out last episode where we left them at, they were hunting down a devil that consumed flesh from the gun devil. That's right. And they're stuck on the 8th floor somewhere in Japan. How are they going to get out of it? I don't know. I really don't know how they're going to get out of this little nightmare, but they're stuck there and they have to make teamwork, or in order for the dream work, they have to use teamwork. And apparently, things don't look too good for Denji, as this is titled Episode 6 Kill Denji. Now, Denji's died before. We've all seen him die, especially in the first episode, you know. So I can only hope that Denji doesn't die. Perhaps we don't have to resort to just killing Denji, you know. So let's find out what exactly is happening. And also, hey, talking to you, our audience, everyone, that's where I'm talking to you. Hey, sit down real quick. Give us some of your thoughts, your feedback on this series so far. Is there any kind of cool hints that we should be made aware of? Is there anything we should know about in the future? Because we would like your feedback, your thoughts, because let's face it, you know, we do read the comment section, and you, that's right, you matter, and your comments tell us what's up, if there's any kind of cool hints that we should be made aware of. Yes, we do read the comment section below. So as I've said before in the past 5 episodes, this series has garnered my attention, and I'm loving every minute of it. So with that being said, since I'm in charge of the ones and twos, because, you know, hey, let's face it, you're not here to listen to me talk. Let's go ahead and pull up this video and watch Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 6, Kill Denji. Oh, I hope Denji doesn't die.
小紅ちゃん、ダブルピースでじっとしてて。ありゃりゃ。
なんで窓の向こうにも部屋が。
Yo. What the? Oh, that's creepy. That is creepy. He's a bit like that. Hey, during a life and death situation, that man's just there. Hey, I'm just gonna lay down. Come on, get a hold of yourself.
ペコペコで死んじゃうんだ。
ヒルハンターやって兄を大学に行かせたいんだろ。
半分無理やりなんです。親が優秀な兄だけは大学に行かせたいからって私に働かせたんです。
Oh, so you had to get a job.
どっかデビルハンターしか選択肢なかったんです。
Yo! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Devil Hunter or sex work? What the hell? What the? What? What? Yo! Come on! Come on! But-
青木くんまでどうしたの？
部屋の時計さっきから8時18分です。
Yo, okay.
その場合助けは来ないかもしれません。
Oh.
すげえジョー寝放題じゃねえか
Ah!
俺は悪魔に感謝して
I owe the devil for the snap. Dude, he's actually asleep.
ちゃ
Whoa.
んはおかしくなってトイレの水を飲もうとしたから気絶させた。
Yeah, what?
それで魔人ちゃんなんだけど。
パワーがどうかしたんです
わしは暇だからノーベル賞を考えておった。ノーベル賞を発明すれば人間はわしにひれ伏すじゃろうて。手始めに消費税は 100% じゃ。
Oh, she's gone mad with power. Okay.
通りっすね
Yeah, she's always like that.
なら
Yeah.
よかった。
Yeah, no, that ain't nothing new.
三人でおじいちゃんとライ君を見張ろう。
It's a pain in the ass when your partner dies. Yo. Who's What?
なんだ今の。
あれは前のバディ。
Oh.
何してきたの？
殴ったやつの服にこっそりガムつけてやった。やられた。
So I actually have the amount of numbers of cigarettes that I've ever smoked in my lifetime. 15. And 2 cigars. There you go. Put that in the Wikipedia fact. If there's ever a Chicago Reacts Wikipedia page, put that in for the Discord. I smoked 15 cigarettes and 2 cigars. So there you go. 2 Cuban cigars to be precise. Yo.
喋った。契約だと。
Ew.
デンジ、食わせろ。
Come on, get a hold of yourself. Please smack some sense into her. Phantom Falcon Punch. Yo.
殺したがっている。デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。
Yep.
だから契約は受けない。
じゃあ私も。わしは殺す派じゃ。
Yep.
ノーベル賞を思いついても外に出られなければ発表できないからな。ノーベルのために死
You
ん
must
だ。
die for my
人
noble.
と悪魔の契約を結べない。ない。ベッドに置いておいた食料が全部ない。なんで。
Who ate it? That's power. She ate it.
貴様ら、俺は悪魔の仲間なんかじゃ。
Yo. Okay, so we know that the devil has the power to feed off of fear. All right, people need to get over themselves very quickly. All right? Like, look, stop being afraid. Whenever you're in a nightmare situation, don't be afraid. Stop being afraid. Don't be afraid. Calm down. Just calm down.
その刀を使えば外
You
に
can probably get out of here if you use the sword.
使うと契約でアキくんの寿命がかなり減るの。アキくんはまだやらなきゃいけないことがたくさんあるんだ。だからごめんね、デンジ君。
Yo! Power, what's wrong with you? Dumb bitch. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that, but god damn it.
銃の悪魔を殺そうとしている。
But he wants the gun devil dead.
俺一人じゃ銃の
And
悪魔
I
を
can't
殺せ
kill
な
it
い。
by myself.
奴を殺すには
To do that, I need devil hunters with guts to fight it.
デビルハンターが
Oh,
一人で
wow.
も多く欲しい。
あなたがおとなしく食べられてたら解決したのに。
ああ、はいはい。じゃあ食われてやら。
No.
チュー、まだ忘れてねえからな。
チェソ。
あの悪魔。
Whip out them chainsaws, buddy.
知らねえが。それにあの悪魔、攻撃を受けた時に痛いって言ってやがった。だったらよ、あいつが死にたくなるまで痛めつけて自殺させりゃいい。
Go. Come on, Denji.
悪魔みたいな発想じゃな。
Go, 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 go. Okay, so we learned something here today. We learned a lot from today's episode. We learned that obviously Power has her sights on winning the Nobel Peace Prize, which is a fantastic achievement. Everyone should have a dream. We learned that the other two, the little girl and the little guy, are spineless, nutless wonders. Aki is definitely a bro. I like him a lot. Clearly, he is a fighter to the end, so he looked after Denji. And Denji willingly jumped into the creature's mouth. So I have a theory about this demon that it only feeds off of fear. I think maybe Denji might kind of sort of be successful in taking on said demon. It's quite clear that this hotel monster is a lot stronger than we thought it would be. So obviously, Chainsaw Man, again, from beginning to end, is a lot of fun to watch. I'm glad I'm reacting to it, and I'm glad all of you hip cool cats are joining us here too. So again, if there's any kind of little hints, cool hints, like nothing that's gonna spoil the story, please type in the comment section below. Yes, we do read the comments. We do appreciate all of your feedback. So, and also be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that ring bell notification. That way, you're made aware when we upload new content onto this YouTube channel. So there you go, folks. All right, I'm Kit. Hey, you that's watching, I want you to keep on winning. All right, there you go.